We're located just past the Santa Teresa Port of Entry. We're at the tail end on the east end of the project, heading west. We've got about 330 panels up right now. The contractor, when he starts up, is he'll remove these stands for the panels after the concrete has set, and then he'll prepare his area by excavating for the trench. After he excavates, he places the steel mats inside the trench, and then he'll either do a full placement of concrete, which is bollard panels inserted and then concrete. That's one lift. Or he'll do the two-stage placement, which is concrete up to just below the bollards, and then they'll place the bollard fence on top of the concrete and then do the second stage. The curing process to cure concrete on the surface is 7 days. We have a specification for 28-day compressive strength. And after that, if the concrete meets the compressive requirement, then that's the end of it. It's accepted.